We are very proud, Your Lordship.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, my Lord.
From all of us.
Though it is a loss to us, losing Your Lordship
to someone, gain to someone else.
my Lord.
Well, we want.
Only thing Your Lordship is assured about that parking. Lawyers are always
And it is the only loss.
So, we thought that Your Lordship will be neglecting that. My Lord would be remembering also that speech over there.
Yes. My Lordship will be there only. When at the time,
to give the valid documents. And matter me listed on 15th, not listed.
I may be.
Your Lordship has already had.
Listen, I am moving for an interim application, Lordship, on the ground of father's illness. He is Lordship. The only son.
I want to make a mention, my lord. The criminal appeal was listed on 15th of December, but the matter has been delisted. IA for bailment.
Yes.
May I humbly pray maybe?
Interim bail.
Item 30, we have filed the rejoinder today, and let's say the matter may be come on Monday. It's very urgent matter.
40.
You are for the petition.
Yes, Lordship.
What is your full name, ma'am?
Pragya Panda. Lordship,
Rejoinder has already been filed.
already filed today morning. Lordship.
Sure, has already been filed today. And you have served a copy on the land council
Yes,
for this.
Lordship.
Copy has been served on the land association for the opposite party. And stop since
I am for the opposite party bank in this case.
you
The
have
property
received,
has already been sold in auction.
no, have you received the copy of
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Mr. Ranjit Saul and counsel for the opposite party submit that he has received the rejoinder affidavit filed by the current counsel for the petition. Let the rejoinder affidavit be placed on record and matter be listed after entering Xmas holidays. Yes.
My humble submission matter may be come on Monday because
It may not be possible. Xmas holidays. Yes.
Item 33, Lordship, what entry bail is there. Lordship taken up last item.
Okay. All right.
Supplementary daily. Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? I am representing on behalf of appellants. I am challenging the order of District Court Barampur.
It's a conviction on
My lord.
302.
Conviction.
All right, part admit call for the trial court records since one of the offense under which the appellants of the formality is one under section 6 of the POCSO Act, notice is so and this interim applications for bail and stay relation of fine will be considered after receipt of the trial court record. The petition copies of the all the witnesses supplied to the land council for this.
Item 2.
Big pardon, my lord. Item 2, Your Lordship. It's a conviction under 302-149 and other offences, my lord. CRLA 1420 of 2025.
For the trial court record. Yes.
My lord, it is a case and counter case. So counter case record, it's to call for, my lord. CT 80.
You have not filed any interim application. So
I have already filed, my lord, that is not tagged. IA number 3521 of 25.
Interim applications have been filed for bail and stay realization of fine.
Yes, my lord, 2 IA filed.
The copy of the application is out the land council for the state and the same shall be listed after the trial court. Yes, next.
Grateful, my lord.
Item 3.
Please, Your Lordship, my lords, both the appellants have been convicted under section 302/34. Appellant number 1 and appellant number 2 under 302/34 and 203 of the Indian Penal Code.
Which cover the trial court record, same order interim application to be considered and copy of the deposition be supplied to the land council for the state in the meantime. Yes.
Grateful.
Item 4.
My plea, your lordship. I am the owner of a property, your lordship, of which the tenant has taken unauthorized electric power connection. There was electric connection, and I protested the matter before the GRF, and the GRF did not. Marana sir, copy दिया ही October 13 ରୁ sir दिया ही for inspection.
Please pray for a week's time to file the objection, please.
13/10 ରୁ दिया ही.
But he went
Yes, Mahapatra.
this Mahapatra, the various Mahapatra and councils appearing for the opposite parties, number 1 and 2, submit that he has received the writ petition and some more time be granted to obtain inspection and file the affidavit. This matter after ensuing Xmas holidays. Yes.
Can I pray, my lord, second week?
All right, second. Yeah.
Item 5.
Item 5, my lord, kindly be taken up first week of January.
All right, Mr. Mahapatra and counsel for the petitioner. 6 for an adjournment. This matter. You want it first week or second week?
Second.
Second week of January. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 6.
May I please, my lord? Lord, in compliance to my lord's order dated 3rd December, I have filed copy of order passed in case of Keshav Chandra Mahapatra and order reporting that original application as well as order of additional court and honorable apex court. I have filed along with memorandum dated 4/12/2025, my lord.
Have you given a copy to the
Yes, my lord, on the last occasion.
just appearing from the or somebody is there? Anybody is appearing from the office of
You're for Union of India. Why don't you somebody has to come and appear?
Have you received the copies of Mr. Rautra said that copy has been served. This
I'll ask my lord who is appearing. My lord, I am just carry on pass.
we are taking off it and the Mr. Rautra and council submit that as per the order dated
On the last occasion, your lordship passed that order.
just as per the
Your lordship, password can be disposed of today.
no he is not there. This nobody is there appearing. You should just see.
I'm searching who is appearing. My lord, I am
He has served the he has filed the some documents as per the previous order dated when that order was passed.
Order passed in point number 7.
No, that is passed by this court on 3/12/20.
3/12, man.
And you have also no instruction who is to appear.
My lord, on DSG is
Mr. DSG was appearing in this case, man. He was present.
I am meeting it.
No,
I am meeting.
they're
Because
keeping
now I
it.
am meeting.
The and copies have been served. Please this matter after ensuing Xmas holiday. Yes, next.
Item 7.
Item 7 on behalf of Mr. B.B. Mishra, pass over, my lord. For the petition.
After Xmas holidays. Next.
Item 8.
Item 8, issue involved is whether multiple revision is permissible. The lordship has already have issued notice in a similar case.
Yes, yes.
Multiple. Some corrections are also required.
You have carried out not sure. Please carry out the correction. If you say that similar matter.
Similar matter, I have just marked it where.
No, you correct it.
The other matter, there the punishment of removal was passed. Appellate and appellate authority confirmed. Thereafter, the divisional authority exonerated. Against another.
What we will do is we will the matter along with this.
Yes, that will suffice. That will suffice.
This writ petition has been filed by the petitioner Ashish Kumar Puntia, challenging the order dated 12/8/2025 of the London Central Administrative Tribunal, Cuttack Bench, number 367 of 2025. So also order dated 9/9/2025 passed by the General Manager Revising Authority under Annexure 4 and 6 respectively. The Land Council, you have filed the original application, etc.
Yes, everything.
Right.
Total.
The Land Council for the petitioner, Mr. Mishra, submits that identical matter is sub judice before this court in WPC number 33683 of 2025 in the case of Sushant Bhushan Mohanty versus Union of India and others, and in the said matter, by all of the date 5/12/2025, notice has been issued to the opposite party, and therefore this matter may be tagged that file. And he has placed the aforesaid order, which is taken on record. He should move the parties on the question of admission and stating therein that the matter shall be disposed of at the stage of admission. Mr. P.K. Pahi, Grand Deputy Solicitor General, and anybody else named accepts notice on behalf of the opposite party. Extra copies of the petition be served on such and such Aditya Lepai. Place this matter in the week commencing from 5/1/2026 with WPC number so counter if any be filed in the meantime after serving copy of the same with the Land Council for the petition. But the interim application are there achi
Again.
chitra share kori eta alga achi date ta khali change hobo all you can see yes
Item 9.
My lord, pass order.
You got the sale certificate?
Yesterday I went to visit to branch manager. My lord and senior said that branch manager instruct him to receive the same from Sambalpur.
Because he is the authority who has issued all these things.
We record a statement disposite of buying and
It is ready, only in the table.
but don't create any problem for
No, my lord. That is 100%. They are holding it. Once he will go, he will.
the Mr. Rotho Land Council for the petitioner submitted that as per the order dated 17/12/2025, he approached the opposite party branch manager. The petitioner approached the opposite party branch manager, Bank of Baroda, Kalahandi, and what he told.
He told that practically he told that since the order was not reflected in the practically that order was not reflected in the net. His council instructed him about the facts. But
I am hearing that what he is telling. I am hearing.
Then he said you may approach before the Sambal.
And it was told to him that he may approach the
Regional office,
branch manager, Bank of India.
Bank of Baroda.
Sorry, Bank of
He
Baroda.
will approach to regional office.
regional office.
Regional office कौन
Regional office Sambalpur.
Regional office Bank of Baroda.
Baroda Sambalpur.
है ना?
Chief manager
on any date, and there the chief manager will hand over the sale certificate, and there will be no hindrance to the same. Mr. Coral and counsel appearing for the opposite party also assured this court that in the event the petitioner approaches the so and so, the sale certificate will be handed over to him. Okay. In view of such a submission, this petition is disposed of. Yes, next.
Item 10.
Lordship, pardon me, I'm appearing through VC, my lords.
Yeah.
The counsel for the bank was supposed to file an affidavit as per your lordship's last direction, the last statement.
I'm assisting Mr. Pal.
No, where is Mr. Tuna Sahoo?
My lord, with permission, my lord, I may be excused, my lord. I am an PC, my lord. My lord, on the course of the day today, I will file it and I will serve the copy to the other side, my lord. Let this matter may kindly taken up Monday or Tuesday.
Okay. Mr. Tuna Sahoo and counsel appearing for the bank submitted that in course of the day, the
My lord.
will be filed relating to the status of the loan and copy of the same shall be sought on the land and council for the petitioner. Mr. Bali, the land senior advocate, is also present in view of such submission. List this matter for chances that immediately. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
And let me take this opportunity to congratulate my lord Justice Sahoo on his recent development, my lords. Ascension. Grateful, my lords. Grateful.
Item 11.
Obliged, my lord. Obliged.
Lord, on behalf of Mr. Vijay Kumar Das, please pass over that.
No, it will be taken off. Let me take it from first. And the particular women and council.
Your name? Ritesh Pradhan. Ritesh Pradhan.
Jitesh na or Ritesh?
Ritesh R.I.
R.I. ठीक है नाम दे दो Ritesh Pradhan land council for the petition of 6 for an
For the order is passed, never leave. Once you ask for something, unless the order is passed, never leave. Okay? You stand there, after the order, you leave.
Yes, next.
Item 12.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I am challenging the order of the Central Tribunal, my lord. Initially, I filed the original application before the tribunal, being agreed by a order of pay fixation, where although
Which is the impugned order, Mr. Rothon?
annexure 1, my lord.
What was your fixation of pay?
Yes,
Acha.
my lord,
So that has been torn down on what ground?
my lord,
You
I
come
had
to the
two-
operating part of the order.
Lordship may kindly
None of the conditions to be Acha.
Lordship may kindly come to 20.
20?
I had twofold prayer before the tribunal.
No, we got it. We just want that why your prayer has been rejected. The reasons we want.
My lord, my initial prayer to grant the 4,600 rate pay with the scale of pay, that was rejected by the tribunal by saying the Ernakulam bench had directed for granting the grade pay and had not directed for the pay scale of pay. As a matter of fact, my lord, the tribunal's order of the Ernakulam bench was implemented by the government finally in 2018 by granting the basic pay mean for the direct deputies, my lord, whereas I was a promoter. I was asking for the basic pay of the promotees, my lord, under the rules, my lord.
What about the other prayer?
Other prayer, my lord, during the pendency of the original application, my lord, they had granted the bunching benefit to the applicant by granting the minimum of the basic pay as available corresponding to 4,600 grade pay for the direct deputies. But they withdraw it during the pendency of the case, granted it and withdraw it, and and said that will to that effect, my lord, your lordship will kindly come to appreciate my case, my lord, your lordship will kindly come to the order where the London tribunal has discussed it.
That Rafik case you are relying upon. Rafik Masya.
If that part, my lord, your lordship, for the timing, your lordship, I may not go to that. I'm just taking your lordship to that bunching benefit, my lord. Lordship will kindly see the tribunal has dealt with that aspect of the case, my lord. Page 32, my lord. Page 32, paragraph 13, my lord. I was in the on 31st 12 2006, my lord. I was in the grade pay of 5,500 to 9,000, my lord. The tribunal has on its own.
All right. Issue notice on the question of admission indicating that the matter shall be disposed of at the stage of admission. Extra copy of the petition served on the deputy secretary general. Matter will be listed after 4 weeks and counter affidavit if any be filed in the meantime. Yes.
I have prayed for an interim order, madam.
What interim order?
My case, they are going to recover. Let that be stated.
The IA number so and so. There's an application for stay. after hearing the land council for the petitioner and going through the developments taken in this one. There's a history of operation of the order dated 37/25 passed by the Land Central Administrative Tribunal in way number so and so until further orders. Yes.
Item 13.
Item 13 on behalf of D. Satpathy is not well after vacation.
The mention is made in behalf of Mr. Satpathy for adjournment as is not well. Is the matter of the regional authority? Yes.
Item 14.
Item 14, I prefer a password names. One password.
You are there, why password?
Your Lordship, because Mr. Buddhadev Rautrai, senior advocate, is engaged in this matter. He's on his legs. One password. I'm for the petitioner.
Next week. Next week.
Next
Yes. Next.
Item
Wait,
15.
please, Because in 2015, Bank of India filed an application under Section 19 of the RDB Act for recovery of dues before the DRT. In 2015, it filed.
Who are you?
I am for the successful resolution applicant, the director of this company, which is called Madurga Float Limited. Now, then what happened? Insolvency process was initiated. In insolvency process, the debt of Bank of India got settled. There is nothing that remains. Bank of India filed an application before the DRT.
Challenging the DRT order here.
Yes, because I'm just that is what I'm arriving at. Bank of India filed an application before the DRT, praying for withdrawal of the OA as its dues are settled. DRT rejects that withdrawal application. Bank of India, which I believe my learned senior is representing, is the dominus litis.
You are having a copy of that?
No, my lord, not
please,
on the letter.
Please hand over
Give
a
a
copy.
copy,
We'll take
we'll
up
see.
next week. Okay. Let's take a copy of the Mr. The hand over to the Land Council, Bank of India. During course of the day.
I'll hand it
on
now.
Matter will be listed next week. Yes, next.
Tuesday is your
Okay. Yes.
obliged. Great.
Item 16.
For a
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Because I have to take instruction. I have to send.
That day that there is the other bench actually.
Yes, yes.
That is a special bench, as you know. That
Tuesday.
criminal offense.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I'm so great.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes, next.
Item 16 may please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
In this petition, we are paying for early disposal of the miscase filed under Section 14 of the Surface Act before the CGM for that.
But it is a 2025 application.
Yes, Lordship.
Acha, 14 you are the successful bidder.
Lordship.
You take instruction about the start.
No, Lordship, I'm not successful. I'm for the bank. Bank file a petition for
Bank, you filed. Okay.
Lordship, for physical possession of the property.
The case number has also been altered. All right. This writ petition has been filed by a Canada Bank for a direction to the Lennon CDM for early disposal of the petition filed under Section 14 of the Surface Act, filed miscase number 40 of 2025, which is stated to have been filed on 19/5/2025.
Lordship.
The copy of the writ petition has been served on the Land Council for the state. You have received the copy.
Yes, Lordship.
You give a copy, another copy. Let a copy of the writ petition be handed over to the Land Council for the state, who will obtain instruction relating to the status of such case. Okay.
And let's say I file all the order checks in the petition.
The writ petition along with all the enclosures, please hand over to the Land Council. Yes.
Item 17.
Here, the sole prayer is a direction to the Lord presiding officer DRT to dispose of the essay number 54 of 2015.
2015 essay is pending.
My lord.
Pleadings are complete.
All the pleadings are
Have
completed.
you filed the order sheet, Mr.
My lord, your lordship kindly see.
दास order sheet पे कौन देखूं चाहिए actually कौन point देरी होगी
Your lordship kindly see one.
What is the order that you have not filed?
Yes, yes. Your lordship kindly see page 35. Sorry. Page 30. Your lordship kindly
see this question.
one party went to
Just 30 years. No, we want to see the latest order.
latest, your lordship kindly see.
ନା ନା ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଆପଣ
latest,
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 30/4/2025
it was adjourned to 26/6.
then what happened?
It was adjourned on 26th.
Then what happened, Mr. Das?
But it was adjourned due to the tribunal didn't function due to resolution.
Is there anything pending in DART?
No,
Appellate
it
tribunal?
is disposed of.
Sir.
That order I have.
Thereafter, have you moved application before the DRT saying that please dispose it apparently?
Yes, yes.
Where
So
is that
many application. My friend is also.
I'm also appearing for
Where is the application? Have you moved up?
But I want to know that why there is delay in disposal. It's a 2015 matter.
No, bank is efforting. We are auction purchaser. We are also giving
I am
best
the auction
efforts
purchaser.
to finish up because it's a 2015 matter.
Can you?
But even then, Lord,
Can you ask any reason? Actually,
no, Lord.
Why
No reason,
nothing.
Lord.
So many cases, the complaints are being made that
Lord.
it is not disposed of, and they are coming here for early disposal.
Yes.
So can we know the way?
Not early hearing of petition has been filed by the bank. I have also
Not in
filed
this
application.
case. Not in this case. Generally,
But generally, my Lord, it is not.
so why it is being delayed there?
Lord, in a week,
Unable to.
in a week, the London presiding officer holding court around
Today
4 days.
there is no court.
4 days. And he's sitting around 11:30 and he's rising around 1 o'clock.
1:31.
Only interim application matters he's taking, no regular hearing. And today so many matters are fixed because auction is fixed to 22nd. Yesterday evening we got a notice that he is early and he went to Ranchi.
2 occasions, my Lord, he has been given
But we have
direction
no
for
time
personal
even
appearance.
to move before this honorable court. Today evening we got a notice that he is on leave for 2 days.
Somebody, sometimes
So-
bank is asking time, sometimes auction purchase is asking time, sometimes just
I have given the.
you can't
It
blame
is
the
related
presiding
to
officer.
From our side, it is not. The
We are not taking. We are insisting
letter has
that
filed.
matter should be
He is taking
disposed of.
time.
Just
The
see 43
applicant in the essay, he is taking time. Some or other is.
Okay, then let us call for a report because after 26/6/2025.
But I have given the order sheet.
No, after 26/6.
Yes. In memo I have.
There are 3-4 dates.
Page 1, that is 26/6, because there was some problem in BC. Bar Association passed a resolution. Then adjourned to 27/8. Then on 27/8 there was a resolution for Nuakai. Then 11/9. One IA was filed by the applicants that was disposed of. Then 17/10. The applicant requested time for hearing.
The applicant, huh?
Applicant is Borrower.
He
It
is
was
seeking time.
Yes,
He
sir.
is seeking time.
It was posted to 28/11. 28/11, no court was functioning because that was a reference day. There was a reference. Now it is adjourned to 14/1/2026. My sole prayer, your lordship, kindly fix up a target short date so that on day-to-day basis, let him hear it.
এই ডেটারে 17/10 সমস্ত ছিল লন্ড কাউন্সিল ফর দি অ্যাপ্লিক্যান্ট প্রেজেন্ট রেসপন্ডেন্ট প্রেজেন্ট রেসপন্ডেন্ট প্রেজেন্ট সোয়ান সো প্রেজেন্ট
You think unnecessary matter of slide fast, right? Therefore, there is
the writ petition has been filed by the petitioner Ramshankar Sahoo, who is the auction purchaser, for a direction the presiding officer PRP Cutter to dispose of SC number 54 of 2015 pending since 1/10/2015 within a specified time period. The Mr. Das, Land Counsel for the petitioner, submitted that the entire pleading are complete, and even though on several occasions, prayer has been made for early disposal of the SA, not only from the petitioner, but also from the bank. But the case is getting urgent, and he has filed the relevant order sheet, which is annexed to the writ petition as annexed to series. And today also, he has filed the order dated 26/6/2025 onwards with a memo, which I have taken on record. Some interim order has been passed in favor of the
applicants.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that some interim order has been passed
On 3/9/2016
in favor of the applicant, who is the borrower. He is trying the delay method, and the case is getting urgent, and therefore necessary order be passed for early disposal. We review the order sheet, and we are also convinced that in spite of the fact that pleadings have completed since long, the case is getting urgent unnecessarily, and we expect that sincere steps shall be taken by the learned presiding officer for early disposal of the case within a period of 1 month from the date of production of the certified copy. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of. It is made clear that we have not expressed any opinion on the merits of the case.
OP number 7. Interception.
Have you filed your vina?
No. Today morning I got.
Next.
Item 18.
At the outset, let me congratulate Justice Sahoo on his elevation. Long overdue. And I only hope and pray that the notification of the government comes through quickly. Not because we would like to see the back of Justice Sahoo, but because we can have an ideal ambassador of the state outside the states.
Thank you very much.
Well, it's coming to the case at hand. I have a similar predicament to what was witnessed by your lordship in the last case. Here, Maloj, I am the borrower. I was set ex parte on the basis of a memo filed by the counsel for the bank stating that I have been served. No notice was served. A memo was filed by the counsel for the bank stating that notice has been served on the borrower. On the basis of that, I was set ex parte, and an ex parte adjudication was done. Thereafter, Maloj, in fact, being in the steel industry, I was going through a recession. I went, thereafter the COVID intervened, and immediately thereafter I made an application. After recovering my business, I made an application to the bank that I would like to settle the dues. The bank did not respond.
Appealing for the...
Sorry, Malaj.
I am the secretary for appealing. Have you received the copy?
No.
But Mr. Mukherjee, I think the order against the order appeal lies to the DRAT.
An appeal lies, my lord, but no.
Sale has been completed. Certificate has been issued.
And that has been completed. And the reason why I am before your lordship is that the sale has been effected in direct violation to the statutory provisions, because the statute, the auction rules provide that
we just want that since against the impugned order, appeal provision is there, why we'll entertain this.
No, well, that is exactly what, because the tribunal is acting contrary to statutory provisions. That is the reason why I am here.
That point can raise also there in the appellate court.
Now, kindly see what is happening.
Have you implemented the auction purchase?
Sorry, Malaj?
Auction purchase.
Yes, we have implemented. We have implemented the auction purchase. Now, what has happened is, before the auction took place, I made an offer to settle the dues.
Please hand over a copy so that we'll see that next week. Mr. Coral and counsel submits that he has instruction to appear for the bank, State Bank of India, opposite party number 1. And he has also produced the sell certificate, which is issued in favor of the opposite party number 2, and files a list of dates. You are filing this list of which are taken on record.
No. I have filed no list of
The petitioner files a list of dates which is taken on record. That a copy of the writ petition is served on the land council for the by the petitioner on the land council for the Bank of India. Land
State Bank.
Such and such. The land council for the petitioners are satisfied with scope as to why, in view of the availability of the alternative remedy for the petitioners.
My lords, that I will do right now, my lords, to your lordship. Why I have come here?
Please serve a copy.
No, purely on a question of law.
That will be.
The sale certificate is on your lordship's hand, in your lordship's hand. Your lordship sees the date of the sale certificate.
Please, give a copy. We'll hear it. And on the maintainability, so and so. At least this matter next week. Yes.
And my lords, let them not precipitate the sale in the meantime.
We'll see it on Monday next week. Yes.
Item 19.
Maybe Tuesday. I have to take instruction.
In one day more. All right, please give. 1 day off. Wednesday. Yes, next.
Item 19.
This case, this petitioner is a borrower of the debt which has been upheld by the principal borrower. And I am the guarantor. I am the guarantor of a debt which has been upheld by the principal borrower. Since he did not pay the admitted dues, proceeding was initiated against him under the Securitization Act.
Who are you?
Well, I am the guarantor. My lord, my property has been subject matter of.
What do you want in this?
Well, lord, right now what happened? I filed no notices have been issued to. DRT proceeding was initiated at the instance of the borrower. There I filed an application to intervene me so that I can be implemented and I can have a say over the matter. I am ready to deposit the money. I filed application for impletion. Therein I stated that I am ready to deposit the money. Right now my property.
Where have you filed impediment?
Before the DRT.
What happened there?
That application is pending. My order 110 application is pending. My stay application is pending. Right now they are going to take possession of my property. This is my only dwelling house.
Why are you not making moving those applications for early hearing?
That can be done.
It's totally the same which you are making before the DRT. So how can we parallelly entertain this when particularly you know that in view of number of reasons this petition is not the other application is pending. You have already filed number of applications as have been stated by you. You can.
I had no option at all because that applications are pending and right now they
give us the number will permit you to move the application. Give those interim application number. The
Annex 7.
Just a minute. This petition has been filed. This was by the petitioner also Kumar Mani with such and such. The land council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is the option purchaser.
Guarantor.
No, I am guarantor.
Guarantor and one before the land DRT. Where have you stated what is that application? SA number 76 of 2025.
Yes.
Filed by whom? SA.
Filed by the borrower.
SA number 76 of 2025 is pending before the land DRT cutter at the instance of the borrower. And in that essay, the petitioner has filed interim applications. The number 1565 of 2025.
Again,
Annexure 6 series.
I would have 7. Annexure 7. To stay the flow.
Okay.
7. 1595.
मैं गुट्टे तो अच्छी ओके कितने पेज रे गुट्टे तो फर्स्ट आरंभ होची 15 अच्छा
1595
अच्छा 1595 तार प्रियर देखी लाइक फाइड annexure 5 6 and 7 annexure 6 होची annexure and though the petitioner has on number of occasions has tried to move the application, but the same is not being taken up. And some interim order has been passed in favor of the No, my lord, till yet not. And the writ petition may be disposed of in the direction to the land and DRT to take up the interim applications. Since it is also stated that no interim order has been passed in favor of the applicant. There is the submission made by the land council for the petitioner. If such applications as stated by the land council for the petitioner is sub judice before the land and DRT, the petitioner moves such application, it is expected that the land DRT shall take off those interim application at an earliest and pass over. It is made clear that we have not expressed any opinion on the merits of the case, and accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of. Yes.
My lord, one submission I will discuss.
Yes.
Lordship may observe one sentence. Pure DRT generally is not passing any order. This is a future practice of the scope now. So what happened? Everybody is going to DRT. In other cases also are going to DRT. Here is the case because no communication is made for first time he is filed the application. Their original loan also filed. I am the guarantor. We are also filed application. Both the cases are pending in court. What I am saying, let them symbolic position, the physical position may not be given. In that regard, issuing the bona fideness, he is ready to deport 30 lakhs.
We will not pass any order because the matter is sub judice and similar. If we entertain, then
if they take a physical position, then it will influence us. That's why this is the issue. That's why
we just move the application, and we have expected that he will take up the matter.
Then Lordship may observe the amount what we offer. That may accept it. If
not pass any order on the merits of the case, we are to assign reason, and we are simultaneously.
Yes, Lordship,
we are relegating you because it's not maintainable.
Yes,
in a non-maintainable petition,
we have a lot of cases against us. So we can't agree.
Yes, next item.
Item 20.
Thank you, Lordship. Item 20, Lordship. Can you permit me to liberty to approach the appropriate forum?
What is your good name?
AP Mahanti.
AP Mahanti and counsel appearing for the petitioner seeks permission to withdraw the application to approach the appropriate forum. In view of such submission, the petition is disposed of as much very lucky that it is
finally memo
court for so much. Finally, got a memo. Memo is taken up. This will be used.
21.
Can you just item number 14, in fact, Madam Sahoo in the council there.
Where, which one?
Item number 14. I'm sorry, Lord, I'm disturbing your life.
14, we have kept it next week.
Can we just say that
40?
14. 1 4.
He was asking for possible, we kept it next week.
We have admission next week.
If it is done inconvenient to my lords, can it be taken?
Next week we'll take up on Monday. Yes.
Monday. Monday one.
Okay.
This is an appeal.
Item 21.
Item 21, I have to active appearance for the respondent. There is a delay in filing the appeal.
Mr. Nando.
Manners.
What is the delay? How many days? 309.
It was filed during pandemic.
Have you got a copy of the?
Yes, I have given, but he is now saying that because during the
process,
process,
a copy.
give a copy.
IN number so this is
Only thing, your lordship, sir.
On donation of delay, the staff report has pointed out that there is delay of 309 days in filing the writ appeal. Mr. Pani Gahi has already entered appearance for the respondent and submits that he has not been served with a copy of the writ appeal, so also copy of the interim application. The copy of the so writ appeal as well as the interim application is served on Mr. Pani during course of the as a sort in court, and he intends to obtain instruction and file the objection to the interim application. this matter after express holidays. Objection, if any, be filed in the meantime, shall be copy on the land council for the appellant. Yes.
That's the only thing that there is, and during this pendency of this intra-court appeal, there was a contempt file. There, your lordship may see that personal appearance
should be regularized unnecessarily. Otherwise, we cannot pass an order unless the delay is condoned.
What I say, Millards, about the contempt, your lordship. I am not asking for an interim order. I am asking
we cannot pass unless we condone the delay. We cannot pass. So,
because the matter has been fixed on
that, please ensure that since you can file the a memo indicating that the writ appeal has been filed and it is posted to so and so, and give a copy of the order.
Your lordship,
The land council for the appellant submits that a contempt petition is pending, and in that contempt petition, personal appearance has been ordered.
Personal appearance will be there. Just a minute. They have been directed to file the show cause or else personal appearance.
File the show cause and or else to appear the personal appearance. The land council submits that since the matter is sub judice here, may be permitted to file an application for adjournment annexing the copy of the order which is passed. If such an application is filed, the copy of the order, necessary order be passed. Yes, next.
matters.
Item 22.
My lord, I have filed an application for amendment to bring on record the subsequent event that has taken place. But in the meanwhile,
Mr. Mishra,
my lord,
financial corporation, any council.
this is a fresh case, your lordship.
I have instruction to appear for the purpose.
Please serve a copy so that it can be taken off. The Avinash Rautray and his associates have filed Wakalatnama for the OSFC. It is taken on record. Let a copy of the writ petition be served along with the interim application for amendment be served on the land council for the opposite party. Can it be served by Monday?
Yes, my lord.
By Monday, and the matter be taken off. You often just is it a formal amendment or anything like that?
No, it's a formal amendment just with regard to the subsequent event I want to bring on record. That's all.
We can take up Wednesday this matter.
As your lordship please, yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am. Obliged.
Item 23.
For amendment of the writ petition by adding one more paragraph.
Mr. Maharana, have you received the copy?
Malats, I've received a copy of the amendment application.
Any objection?
This objection I prepared, but the officer was not there.
You intend to file objection?
I have on there because certain other documents.
What happened, my lord? Only one more paragraph regarding filing of a review petition and withdrawal of the same.
If you would have said no, then we would have allowed now.
No, I have
but since you say that this is listed for the first time, we have to give an opportunity.
On that day, your lordship.
It is earlier listed.
Yes, listed. Malats amendment application was.
Objection, my lord. Amendment is very formal, my lord. One paragraph is to be added as paragraph 23.
We are listing it on Wednesday. Do the needful. All right.
My lord, I am without electricity and I
that
unnecessarily
intends to file an objection to the interim application filed for amendment of the writ petition. Mr. Das, Land Counsel for the petitioner submits that on 17/12/2025 adjournment has been already given. See that Ajit may this matter on 24th
Monday Tuesday
2025 Tuesday would a bench criminal appeal or bench.
Last day
No, these matters can be taken up. Orders matter. You make a mention this. So
then all press admission also.
24th of December 20. Yes, next. For consideration of the interim application for amendment. Yes. Next.
Item 24.
Please, your lordship. Jail criminal appeal, I filed a bail application. My lord, the PTC appellant is in custody since 24/6/2017 now.
Whether it was earlier rejected?
No, my lord.
Have you got the custody certificate?
That was filed.
You have filed as well. How many years is it there?
24/6/2007, 8 years, 6 months.
8 years, 2 months লেখা হয়েছে। আচ্ছা, এখন
24/17 অবিঘা।
What is the offense here?
My lord, convicted initially restored under section 307. After death of 15 days after the death, the case on to 302 months.
Eyewitnesses are there.
My lord, 3 eyewitnesses are there.
Please state us the name of the eyewitnesses, sir.
My lord, 3, 9 and 19. 19 is the informant.
3, 9 and 19 are eyewitnesses.
My lord.
And with the doctor who conducted PM.
We don't 16.
16.
My lord.
17 is the another
17
doctor,
is the first sitting doctor. 17 is the first sitting doctor.
Okay. So let us come to any eyewitness. Which eyewitness you want to place?
My lord, your lordship see the PW3 evidence.
PW3, please come to that.
May I read, my lord?
Yes, of course.
My lord, so far I know the accused standing inside the dock, which my co-villager. So this is Sadasiv is my son. The occurrence took place on 26/2017 at about 2 p.m. in the afternoon. At the time of occurrence, the deceased had been to our bari land for planting vegetable saplings. The accused came there and fired at my son. When the villagers gathered, the accused ran away towards jungle. The intestine of the deceased had come out of his belly. He was laying on the ground, restlessly holding his belly. He disclosed before us that Basanta fired at him. We shifted the deceased to Noyagad Hospital in fire brigade vehicle. As the condition of my son was serious, he was referred to Bhubaneswar
So it's a
Hospital.
gunshot injury.
Lordship, see, your lordship, cross-examination part, my lord. If lordship see from the cross-examination part, the cross-examination, my lord, at the time of firing, my lord, the deceased was bending himself, my lord.
No, those are the, this is appreciation.
19, come to 19. 19 is
19 evidence.
19 is
lordship,
19 is very, very.
Yes.
19 evidence, your lordship, 19 evidence, my lord, he has stated. Like there are my
Read 19. You can read.
The bullet,
I have seen
the bullet which was fired from the backside, my lord.
We will not appreciate the evidence and we will give any finding here now that may also have some kind of repercussion on at the time of final disposal of the appeal. So the fact remains that the few witnesses have stated that you fired.
That was
read 19 and 17.
My lord, 3, 19 and 3, 9 and 19, my lord, they have stated that 3 says that I was only present. 9 says I was only present. 19 says I was only present. Lord, sir, there is no bullet found from the body.
February 2026. Next.
Item 25.
Yes.
If I agree for some other day to file that affidavit.
What affidavit?
Reply to the affidavit is the compliance affidavit.
The land council for the state seeks for an adjournment to obtain instruction and file necessary affidavit in terms of the order dated 17/12/2025. List this matter after ensuring Xmas holiday. This next.
Item 26.
Item 26, my lords, considering the fact that the appellants have been in custody more than 12 years, Lordship by the order dated 14/5/2025 enlarged the appellants to interim bail for 3 months, my lords. After that, they have surrendered, and flag J is the custody certificate on Lordship's record, my lord. Flag J. And the Lordship.
Regarding the conduct during the interview.
Yes.
Easily.
How many years after remaining in custody you were granted bail?
12 years, my lord. Your lordship, last order. Lordship
Custody certificate are on record.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Custody certificate are on record.
Last order, my lords. Page 2, lordship has observed, my lords.
More than 12 years.
12 years. That is observed.
Either 1 and 2 are the custody certificate.
Second paragraph.
Second paragraph.
Yeah, my lord.
Counsel for this one, so produce the custody certificate.
Yes.
which shows that 12 বছর অধিকার
Yes, the enclosure 1 and 2 are then recorded.
Right. Third, the land council for the petition land council for the state. It appears that the petitioner was directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months. Keeping in view his period of detention in judicial custody for more than 12 years. And the custody certificate, which was filed, and relying on the ratio laid down in the case of Leti alias Wancho. It is stated by the land council for the petitioner that after availing the interim bail period, the petitioner has surrendered the land and trial court at right time, and he has you have filed the surrender certificate.
Yes, that is like
And that is it. The surrender certificate has been filed with a memo, which is on record. The land council for the state was asked to obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner or petitioner?
petitioners.
There are two petitions.
Petitioners during the period of interim bail. And today, the land council for the state has produced the report dated 19/12/2025 of the IIC Sarat police station, which shows that nothing adverse was reported against the petitioners during the interim bail period. The report is taken on record. Considering the submission made by the land council for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and since the petitioner has not misutilized the liberty while on interim bail and absence of any chance of early hearing and keeping in view the observation made in Leti case, the bail application is allowed. Yes, obliged.
Item 27.
Custody certificate.
Custody certificate.
Nine years, 9 months, 15 days. Whether your earlier bail application has been rejected?
Here I was well for 3 months.
When?
7/23, 15/3/23.
15/3/23. And you surrender at right time?
No doubt. Surrender certificate I have filed. And with the case referred in that rejection order, my lord, he has been granted bail. And criminal appeal 88/19 was referred in my rejection.
What was his conduct during that period?
That conduct.
Conduct was involved.
Surrender at right time.
Right says.
Conduct was good because the last occasion that consolidated report was good.
Acha, last year produced करते हैं. We show that you know, Acha, was not in. ଆପଣଙ୍କର 9 ବର୍ଷ ହୋଇଛି Leti case on the Hard the land council for the petition land council for the state. As per the order dated 17/12/2025, the land council for the state has produced the conduct certificate, which a custody certificate, which indicates that as on 19/12/2020, 17/12/2025, the total period of imprisonment of the petition is 9 years, 9 months, 15 days. The custody certificate is taken on record. And it is further mentioned in the said certificate that the jail conduct is very good. Stop. Needless to say that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months, no? 3 months, right? Order dated 15/3/2020. And he has surrendered in time.
Parlogri ଥିଲା ସେ ରାଜପକ୍ଷ ସେ ତଳେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
And the land council for the state had produced a report from the IIC Tikiria police station on the last day, which showed that during the interim bail period, the petitioner was not involved in any type of criminal activities. considering the submission made by the land council for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner from judicial custody. Fact that the petitioner has not misutilized the liberty right on interim bail, and further taking into account the absence of any chance of early hearing, we are inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Any condition not to.
I shall not try to come in contact with the 302 case, na?
302.
Not
In
try to come in
there,
the
23, there was a report from the IAC that there is a law and order.
in case of he is involved in it also that's not the cancellation of the law.
Item 28.
Certificate.
Last occasion, custody certificate and conduct certificate.
Custody certificate ଦେଖଉଛି 7 years 10 months and
ଗୋଟାକରେ 2 ଜଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟାକରେ ଜଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି।
ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଉମେଶ ବାଗ।
उमेश बाग।
ଇଏ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ ହେଇଛି।
Yes, madam. ସମସ୍ତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। All are applicable.
So first ହଉଛି ପଦ୍ମନ ବାଗ। ପଦ୍ମନ ବାଗର କାଇଁ?
We have not applied.
You have not applied. Acha, no. There is an application for interim bail for Padman Bag. You don't want to place this application. All right. What is your good name?
Ashrit Behra.
Ashrit
Behra.
So answer the Nali.
So far, Padman Bag is concerned, my lord. The report may be kind. He was granted interim bail. Therefore, did not surrender.
Didn't surrender.
IA number 1381 of 2021. This is an application for interim bail first.
Padman Bag.
IA number 36. The Grand Council for the state submitted that the petitioner was directed to be released on interim bail by order dated 20/7/2022 for a period of 30 days. And after availing the interim bail period, he has not surrendered. The report of senior superintendent Surface Jail Koraput is annexed to the order produced before us by the Land Council member of the state. Since the petitioner has flouted the terms and condition of the interim bail order, we are not inclined to entertain this application. Accordingly, I stand dismissed. Let a report be called for from the Land and Trial Board regarding the steps taken to apprehend the petitioner and to take him into judicial custody. File be placed before the Land and Register Judicial who is sent email to this one. Yes, second.
Second, Umesh Bag, my lord. 776 of 19.
The application was rejected on
Do we know the other
9/24.
Yes, madam.
9/24. And
also
period undergone
during trial, he was on bail, madam.
Yes, 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, 7 years, 17 days.
उमेश भाग ना
Miss Bhatt was your Ugro secretary.
उमेश भाग 710 bar.
Ugro about.
Mishra is a single report.
Single
report of Umesh. There are two reports.
ठीक है. अच्छा, एक और 7 years 10.
Lastly, reject from 2920.
Last के बजे
2920. Reject.
2920. अच्छा, ये लोग को कोडिया ना रायगढ़ आर क्रिमिनल एंटीसीडेंट किसी अच्छी ଆପଣ ଖାଲି କଷ୍ଟଡି ସେଠି କାରଣ ଗୋଟେ ଯାଇକି ଫେରାର ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନା ତେଣୁ ଟିକେ କେୟାରଫୁଲ ହବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆଜି ଆପଣ କଣ ଆଣି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କେବଳ କଷ୍ଟଡି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଜେଲ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି so you obtain that
You have directed that custody certificate, criminal antecedents, and jail conduct. All three. Again, installment.
criminal antecedent ଆପଣ obtain କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଅଛି ଦିଅ
other document set of document last page.
ନା ଏଇଟା ତ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଯୋଉ ଦି ଜଣିଆର ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି
last page.
The last page is.
अच्छा last page में आधी last page नाला उमेश
serial number 3.
Not in order.
Previously they are not included.
Jail conduct.
Jail conduct is there.
The past elevation that is good. And the first one. Offense count there.
364 and 395. Kidnapping for the purpose of ransom 5 lakhs rupees. Kidnapping for the purpose of ransom of 5 lakhs.
And they went and they released the victim in the railway station. Thereafter, affair was lost. No amount had been received or nothing.
Collected, man.
No death has also taken.
No injuries there, my lord.
Kidnapping kale tapar nije ne ek taku station pakhre chhadi deki asile.
They dropped at the railway station for which the victim.
And while there is a TI pallet also. TI.
PW3 madam.
For the land council for the petitioner land council for the state. This is CRL number 776. The land council for the state has produced the custody certificate of the petitioner, which shows that he is in judicial custody for 7 years, 10 days. 7 years per 10 months. You know? आज हम लिख दें तो 15/12/2025. He has also produced the jail conduct certificate, which shows that the conduct is satisfactory. Land council for the state has also produced the written instruction relating to the criminal antecedent from IAC Tikiri police station. As of you interpol ସବୁଥିରେ ଲଗେଇବେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କାରଣ ଆଦିରେ ନାହିଁ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ସେଇ ଲୋକର ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି କଣ ନା କଷ୍ଟଡି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଅଛି ଜେଲ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ନା ଦିଟା ଏଇଟା ଭଲ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ criminal antecedent ସେ ଗୋଟେ କରି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ it should be ଗୋଟେ ଜେରକ୍ସ କରିଦେଇ ସବୁଥିରେ ତା ଦେହରେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟାଗ କରିଦେବେ अच्छा so that no criminal antecedent is there. Considering the submission made by the land council for the respective party in view of the land council for the state brought to the notice of this court that earlier the bail application of the petitioner was rejected on merit by the order dated 2/9/2024. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective party, in view of the available material on record,
EW11 something has taken.
While not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit, but taking into account the period of detention in self-custody, absence of any criminal antecedent, we are inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months. So this is so far as Umesh Bagh is concerned, and CRL number 776. Udgasan na kono chi?
Inside custody since 11 2014.
Plan number 3 as 3 number of criminal antecedents. Yes, Mr. When the order was passed on 24/5/2025,
Ugrasen matter, just see.
the Learned AGA on instruction submitted that the appellant has 3 number of criminal antecedents and mostly of similar nature of offense. Now you are filing
This report,
this report that there is no criminal antecedent. So
Then we have to call for it.
What is this? You can't do all these things.
Yes. And in most, I'm just candidly saying most of the occasion yesterday, the past page there seen no criminal in the internal page when verified there are 2 to 3, for which the explanation was
you
called.
see, whatever document you are placing before us, obviously we have to rely on it because you are taking suppose somebody is trying to mislead the court, then appropriate action will be taken. So we just want a clarification from you that when you submitted before us on 25/4/2025, that this man has got 3 criminal antecedents of similar nature. Now, how you are submitting a report now
Let
that
it
there is no
come out there so that we call the person.
Now, either you misled that bench or this bench.
Yes.
All right, লেখନ୍ତୁ এটা হচ্ছে 880 IA number 2454 of 2024. The London Council for the petitioner has their custody certificate produced question. Custody certificate and jail conduct certificate has produced the same as taken on record. He has also produced a report which is the report dated the report dated 17/12/2025 of IIC Tikir Police Station, Rayagada, in which it is mentioned that the petitioner is not involved in any criminal case.
Petitioner Ugrasen Bagh.
Petitioner Ugrasen, except the present case. Stop. The report is taken on record. Stop. On 25/4/2025, when the matter was taken up, the London Additional Government Advocate, on instruction, made a submission before the bench that the appellant had 3 numbers of criminal antecedents of similar nature of offense. Therefore, what was submitted before the court on 25/4/2025 by the London Council for the State and the document which is produced before us today gives a completely contradictory pictures. Stop. Land Council for the State submits that he may be given further opportunity to know as to correct state of affairs and which police officer has tried to mislead the court by submitting such a report. One, on the basis of which the mention was made in the order dated 25/4/2025, and another which is produced before us. Is this matter after ensuing Xmas holidays?
Last time.
Yeah.
Last अब item more.
That is Dinesh
Kedia. Yes, so he was even not identified in TA period. Others have identified.
But the bail application was rejected on
मतलब 2 in now major purpose.
and what is the period of detention? Let us see.
It's 6 years 10 months.
So you remain, this will be considered after from February. You have not completed 7 years. The custody certificate produced which shows that the petition is in judicial custody for so and so. Please this matter on February 2026. Yes, next.
Item 29.
May please, Your Lordship. Let this application is for the interim bill of the appellant on the ground of his wife is 9 months pregnant. In the previous occasion, state was to obtain instruction regarding the conduct of.
In jail, paternity leave is not granted or what?
Madam?
Paternity leave. She's pregnant. She's a gynecological problem.
କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା କଣ ଆପଣ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି instruction? ତାଙ୍କର expected date of delivery ଅଛି that is on
December.
23/12/2025.
Page 3 of the IA that stated that as pregnant she is suffering from some gynecological problem. She got her checkup recently in Bhubaneswar on 23/12/24.
She has not said that she's expecting.
No, my lord. In para
That's special care, attention, support. There is no one. So you see the why we are this submission is that there is no one else in the family to take proper care of that baby who is to be delivered and so and so. So we must know that what is the reason. It's not that suppose there are other family members and who can take care of the delivery. That would not be a ground. The ground has been taken that the baby is expected on 23/12 and the family, no one is there. So, and he has some problem also, gynecological problem. So in that light, we wanted you. So what have you stated about the
What was your letter? What instruction is sought in the letter?
You must read the relevant paragraphs, why this prayer has been made, and accordingly impart necessary instruction to the
What have you written?
officer.
Read it. Read it.
The informed that the matter as recognized such and such. The Honorable put a direct to State Council to obtain instruction on the IA for interim bill filed by the applicant with regard to the health condition of the wife of the applicant at last funds.
ସେତିକି ଲେଖିଦେଲା ଆପଣ ସେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ହେଲ୍ଥ କଣ୍ଡିସନ କଣଟା ମାନେ ଜଣକ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିରେ ମନେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏକାଧିକ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏଇ ସିଚୁଏସନରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯତ୍ନ ନେଇପାରିବେ. So that may not be a ground for granting it interim bill. It's a case under section 302 IPC. So the
Monday we can take all.
What is the period of undergone? Period undergone?
Already 7 years completed. Custody since 21/8/2018.
Right, Nayagada.
Nayagarh.
And the offense is 302.
302.
7 years.
And what you have done, let us see. What is the allegation against you to them with others? Sword, Vijali, Patsa, cycle chains, and oh, you uprooted the left eye of the sworn, so assaulted him mercilessly. Eyewitnesses are there as it appears. Artha Behra, Manoj Pradhan.
2, 5, and
3 eyewitnesses are there.
and
No,
the
you obtained that criminal antecedent also.
That I
And
have
also,
already filed a comprehensive affidavit.
so there are other cases also against you.
How many cases?
How many
against you?
cases are there?
Filed a comprehensive affidavit.
There is no comprehensive affidavit.
What is there? Comprehensive affidavit.
Comprehensive affidavit.
Yes.
307 cases, they are arms act cases are they are against you.
Once, my lord,
What is your instruction about this comprehensive affidavit?
my lord, only once he was on interim bail and he has surrendered in time. This March 2025.
When that interim bail was granted, madam?
12/3/25. Taking into account the period of detention period.
no, interval is rejected. 12/3/25.
12/3/25 bail has been granted to him.
Interim bail
It is
for 3
right
months.
that 3 months bail has been granted.
Yes, he has not misused.
That is no report before us at least that she has misused the liberty.
He has surrendered in
3
time.
months. 3 months.
Higher numbers of there is an application for interim bail on the ground that the wife of the petitioner is pregnant and the expected date of delivery is 23/12/2025. Medical documents in support of such arrangement is taken in the interim application has been annexed there. So we asked the land council for the state to obtain instruction on the interim application and also the conduct of the petitioner during the interim bail period. The land council for the state submitted a report today before us, which is of what is this report? It is dated 26/2/2025.
February.
Hello, what you are trying to misguide us or what?
The
report we passed the order on 8/12/2025, and you are submitting a report of February 2025.
No, this is 27 February.
Or you are producing the report for us.
the basis of the IEM
Before any document you can file without going through the document. We asked you to obtain a report on 8/12/2025, and you are producing a report before us.
This is the report he's filed.
the IE has been filed on 20 December.
No, the last order, see, 8/12/2025, we passed the order for verification. And you have now submitted a report saying that he has a clean antecedent. And so far as the medical documents are concerned, there's February.
Please go through any document before handing it to the court. Please go through it.
We took it as if you have given it to the persons to the order. So therefore, we didn't see the order. Date.
We want a report from you now. The learning council for the last which is of the IAC Saranpur police station dated 17/12/2025, which shows that there is nothing adverse was found against the petitioner. Stop. However, this report is not consonance with the instruction which was sought for. In as much as in IA number in this interim application, it is specifically stated in paragraph number 3 as follows. For the paragraph number 3. The report which is produced before us, another report which is produced before us is dated 27/2/2025, wherein it is mentioned that the wife of the petitioner is having some gynecological problem and she is under treatment at AIMS Bhubaneswar. This report is not in consonance with the aforesaid order dated 8/12/2025. At this stage, Land Council for the state seeks some more time to produce the report, correct report like them in taking into account paragraph number 3 of the swan song. Matter be listed on last 24th of December 2021. Next.
Item 30.
File an interim application only in respect of appellant number 3. His mother is already in custody for 8.5 years.
You have filed an interim application.
Mother is not seriously very died. That instruction was sought for.
See the date of the
Humanitarian
report.
ground.
See the date of the report. Again,
17.
Some days he may.
Wait.
जाओ तो माँ की देखा करिए क्या पे.
The other 3 brothers are there depending on the.
But family members is brother is there.
Are you aware that आजिकली जेल रे जी भी चाहूचंती जेतेबेले भी चाहूचंती तांको पे बंदोबस्त हेची समाने वर्चुअल मोड रे तांकर फैमिली मेंबर आगे सब जो जेल को आसुथिले सेठी घंटा घंटा धरी अपेक्षा करथले सेंसी
ना एबे तो
I had gone recently भुवनेश्वर जेल नंबर ऑफ 5टा 6टा ये अछि समान अछि जेतेबेले इच्छा तांकर जने जेल रो जने ऑफिसर सेठी रहउचंती तांकर सी ये करी दउचंती माने कनेक्शन कर दउचंती तांको प्रेजेंस रे कथा बार्ता होचंती बिकॉज़ दे मे
ना सेटा मीट करे त मां को देखियो पे मां
can see this
his mother is
also 82 years suffering from brain ailment, incapable of pursuing normal work. One shot 4 brothers and the brothers actually died in the year because of this tailoring work. The report is that you have got also other brothers.
Higher. His brother has shown affidavit. Maybe permitted to go back 8.5 वर्ष pro custody. State या local. Balance.
Number 3.
Just now they served the copy Miller.
They are
last
informant. Opposing.
Miller. Last occasion is money Miller. There are criminal cases. All the allegations against all the.
No. ये जो appellant number 3 आगुरु जाइतला बेल.
ना. କେବେ ବି
ନା,
ନାହିଁ।
ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇନି। ତାହେଲେ ମିସୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ କରିବାର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କୋଉଠୁ ଉଠୁଛି?
ମାନେ ତାର ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି
କାହାର ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି?
ଏମାନଙ୍କର। ମୋର ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
Appellant number 3 ର antecedent ଅଛି? What are the antecedent?
The antecedent are 307, 324, 341, 294.
କେତେଟା antecedent?
ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି। So far the report available of 14/4/2025.
କେବେକାର ସେଟା କେସଟା?
କେସଟା 2017
That is 2012.
2012 ଏ କେସଟା ଅଛି।
ତାଙ୍କ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଛି, ତାଙ୍କ ମା ହଉଛନ୍ତି 82 ବର୍ଷ ଆଉ ବ୍ରେନ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସିଏ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ unable to pursue the normal work. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଇଏ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଦେଖା କରିବାକୁ ତା ମା।
Unable to pursue normal work. There are the other brothers there. So far the mother and son, that's up to the lordship to consider.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
In view of the
ଏଟା କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଏଟା? IN number 3080/2025. This is an application for interim bail of appellant number 3. Mainly on the ground of the ailment of the mother, who is stated to be suffering from different ailments and hospitalized on several times, and that she is on death bed. As per the order dated 8/12/2025, the London Council for the State has produced the report dated 17/12/2025 of the Inspector in charge, Town Police Station, Balapur, which shows that the mother of the petitioner is aged about 82 years, suffering from brain illness and incapable of pursuing her normal work. Here, the appellant petitioner has got 4 brothers, out of which one is dead, and the other 3 brothers are depending on trailer work. Stop. The report is taken on record. Land Council for the State as well as Land Council for the informant submits that the petitioner has got one criminal antecedent.
2 minutes.
Dita.
ওটা আছে 12 মাসের, ওটা 13 মাসের।
Criminal antecedent. One is of the year 2012 and the other is of the year 2015. 13. Stop. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, the governments taken in the interim application, and have you annexed any medical documents?
And
the instruction received by the Land Council for the state, we are inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 15 days, subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activities and shall not try to come in contact with the family members of the deceased. It is of which police station, Tara?
Yes, Balapur Town.
The IAC of Balasore Town Police Station shall keep a close watch on the activities of the petitioner while on interim bail. Violation of any terms and condition of the interim bail shall entail cancellation. The matter be placed on such and such date. Land Council for the petitioner shall produce the surrender certificate. Here. Next.
Item 31.
Appellant filed a IA for interim bail. The father of the appellant member was
Father of the petitioner,
petitioner admitted subdivisional hospital Padampuर.
So what instruction you have taken?
They not received the instruction.
Huh?
Instruction.
First time.
First time. That bail is rejected on 6/3/25.
No, it is on 19. Take instruction. IN number 3261 of 2025. There is an application for interim bail on the ground of ailment of the father of the petitioner. Medical documents have also been annexed to the interim application. Copy of the interim application has been sought on the land council for the state to seek some time to obtain instruction. Is this matter on such and such date? Instruction be obtaining in time. Yes, next.
32.
May I please alert? My lord, this application has been filed for interim bail of the appellant on the ground of his wife's illness. I have already informed.
They are lucky only. Instruction made of.
My lord,
Medical documentation.
yes, my lord, I have obtained the medical certificate latest one.
He filed.
I have not filed it, but
File the some more medical documents today. Are being copied and the land council for the state. The medical documents filed are taken on record. Yes, instruction to be obtained. Yes, next.
33.
interim bail was filed on account of his mother's illness.
Agent the instruction. कितना वर्ष राहिलेली?
5 years.
5 years.
Custody certificate.
The mother of the convict is suffering from old CVA due to left side hemiparesis and undergoing treatment. What is this disease?
CVA, yes, sir. Cerebrovascular accident. Due to old age, the accidental injury suffered during your review that comes alive when you get to old age.
Like osteoporosis.
Kind of. The osteoporosis elevates this disease.
And you have written also there is no one in our house to
Yes.
take care of her.
Yes.
She is staying alone.
Yes.
Written. IN number so on. So there is an application for interim bail on the ground of ailment of the mother of the petitioner. Medical documents has been annexed to the interim application. The land council for the state has produced written instruction dated 16/12/2025 of the IAC Pondapata police station, which shows that the mother of the petitioner is suffering from so and so and undergoing treatment, and there is no one in her family for taking care of herself, and she is staying alone in the house. Considering the submission, government taken documents annexed, and written instruction received, we are inclined to the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 30 days. And
I have the
matter to
custody
be-
certificate, conduct as well as the CA.
give it. She has also produced the conduct certificate. Conduct
Custody and criminal acts.
What's the custody period?
4 years some.
No, about the CA.
No.
Acha, the land
Hard work.
council for the state has produced the criminal antecedent report, which indicates that there is no criminal antecedent. The document of a criminal antecedent revision, taken on that. After 30 days, date of which of surrender certificate registration. Yes.
34.
302 2527 answered.
I would reject it.
No,
There is an explanation.
what comes up.
Not explanation.
20 or
Yes, come to an apparent front to charge and the petition front so running trial could have found the apparent guilty under citizen. Okay.
20 years.
Please to hold that front so. Under the heading of the charge and part of sentence, we found that the apparent has been sentenced to undergo RI for 20 years. If under 302. No, body look here. 302 front to something. One explanation. देखिए बाहर करो Chief Justice purpose notice in view of the order dated 1/9/2025, the learning presiding officer special court under SC and STPO Act, Cuttack, has furnished an explanation in the sealed cover. Sealed cover is one of the sealed cover. Here is the explanation. Matter be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice along with the order dated 1/9/2025 and the explanation furnished. The explanation be kept in sealed cover. We open the sealed cover.
Resealed it and please.
Yes, next.
Item 35.
Deposition copy.
Yeah.
Permitted to take the deposition copy.
The Learning Council for the petitioner appellant submits that he is not having the deposition copies of the witnesses. Let the deposition. You are having the copies?
No, ma'am.
State Council also submits that he is not having this one. So let the deposition copies be supplied to the Learning Council for the respective parties in their pen drive. So yes, take the Ajin
35.
23/9/25, my lord. Lawsuit call for I have filed for an interim bill.
Interim bill. What is the ground?
Mother illness. The suffering cardiac disorder.
The petitioner set fire to a lady, young lady Mallard, to whom he was. Other family members are there. Two other brothers are there.
कौन आपनकर मांकर कौन होची?
Cardiac disorder.
हाँ?
Cardiac disorder.
मांकर ना बापंकर?
मांकर.
The regarding the illness of the mother of the petitioner, she is getting treatment at so Koraput. Asked the family members of the petitioner to produce the medical documents, but he did not produce any documents regarding the cardiac disease in respect of so and so. So, को basis रे आपण कहउछन? आपण जदि cardiac problem पई आपण मा चिकित्सित होउछंती and there's a government hospital जो Lakshman Naik Medical College and Hospital Koraput. At least cardiology department.
In the last line, my lord, and the report is on being asked to the physician, treating doctor, the report is genuine. That is true. That
Where you sit?
last line, on being examined the treating physician, the document is genuine. That is
unnecessary one. I know.
But the other family members are there. The present petitioner is in custody only, my lord, 5 years, 11 months. He set fire to a young lady, my lord, died.
Two younger brothers are there.
Yes, my lord. Dying declaration recorded. Exhibit P is the dying declaration.
There is no body to take care of.
Who said?
Two younger brothers are.
There are two younger brothers of the petitioner. तांग नाम भी दिया इसी जनो ना श्याम सुंदर, अजन लाइशन, and they are working as laborers, and they all live in a joint family. तनो प्रश्न को टूटू जी तांको मां करो के
अदर भी अच्छे थे.
तो तामने हस्बैंड भी आ बापा भी अछंती श्याम सुंदर अच्छा
Sannyasi Khemedu is father of the petitioner.
The learning council for the IA number so and so, this is an application for interim bill on the ground of the element of the mother of the petition. Learning council, the state has produced the written instruction received from so and so. Is this matter after Xmas holidays? Yes, next.
36.
May I please interrupt? I am appearing on behalf of my senior Mr. Chandra. I am permitted to present.
Yeah.
Lordships, this is an entry application for interim bail, your Lordships.
What ground?
The 76D. The ground is, your Lordships. So the petitioner himself is suffering from kidney and liver problem, your Lordships.
What is your report? Health condition is deteriorating day by day. What are the
proper care news. The report is
pass on?
with the jail doctor as well as the superintendent both have given the report.
You are being taken to the district headquarters hospital. You are being provided medicine regularly, and
good food,
healthy foods are being provided for his speedy recovery. So why on this ground we will grant you bail? How many years you are in custody? And it's a gang rape case.
More than 6 years, your Lordship.
This Likhi so answer produce the report after Xmas holidays. Yes, next.
I may be positive to case TRLA 1353 of 24 million. 1353.
For what?
For bail mail.
What Xmas holidays? This next.
37.
There is no role of this present applicant.
37.
Wait, please, my lord. Let's file an interim bail.
What is your instruction? Appellant number 5.
Yes, my lord.
Bablu alias Bablu Munnu. On the ground of element of inquiry.
Thyroid.
Posting size to iron norm what she खाई
As per the, I have attached the medical reports, my lord. This is that surgery is required to remove the mass which has been formed.
thyroid test 50% of thyroid complication. That is not a ground. It's taken a report after Xmas holiday. Yes, next.
38.
My lord, I have filed an interim application for interim bail. That is IA number 1930.
On what ground? On what ground?
My lord, the element of the father of the present
Instruction nahi chandi.
appellant.
Take instruction. IA number so and so. Father's element wants to take his instruction. Matter will be listed on so and so. Yes, next.
Item 39.
Lord, I have already deposited the cost, my lord. Where is the document receipt, my lord? Receipt I could not file because I deposited today. Mr. Barik and counsel appearing for the petitioner has produced the receipt of deposit of rupees 20,000 in the High Court Advocates Welfare Fund as per the order dated 15/12/2025, which is taken on record. Now, this is to be taken up for admission, my lord. Have you given a copy to the other?
Yes, my lord.
We will take up next week. Place this matter for admission next week. Yes.
May I pray to keep it to 22nd?
22nd, there is some problem. 24th, it will come. 24 तारीख. अब किसी सिंगल बेंच सांगे सांग मार्च.